What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? It's WesTheCEO, and I just want to come on here to drop some knowledge today. Really, just start a new journey, and really just start to push my new channel more and more, and drop more knowledge. Be on YouTube longer, and give out more quality content. As you can see from the title, today I'm going to be talking about how to start a business with $0. Okay, I know everybody be just trying to get some money in these hard times we living in. It be crazy. You got kids to feed, got bills to pay. Everyday life just expensive. So today I just want to tell y'all the knowledge of how to start a business without having no money, without having nothing to your name. You just trying to figure something out, and you don't got no way of making no paper. And times is hard, it's ugly, and I understand. So I ain't gonna hold y'all, I'm gonna jump right into it. The way to make money and the way to start a business without nothing is teaching, it's coaching, it's showing people and teaching people what you already have learned. Sometimes it's something that you just learned, and that's crazy. But majority of the things that you're learning are the majority of the things that you need to learn to be able to get some money or to be able to start your own business. You already know. See, this the thing. Once you already obtain the knowledge of things that people want to obtain, basically, once you already know what people need to know, you got it. You can train your thoughts, you can test your mind and do different things with the knowledge that you already have. You could be braiding hair, you could be cooking food. Almost everybody know how to cook. So it's basically like you could teach recipes in your way. You know what I'm saying? You could know how to draw. You can make instructional videos on how to draw. And it's just like, if you know how to dance, a lot of women I know how to dance, do hair. A lot of men I know how to work out. They can just show the youth, or you could just show people who don't know how to do the things that you know how to do. Basically giving people the knowledge that that you can always teach to be able to gain benefits for yourself and for your life. I'm just trying to get my thoughts together. Like I told y'all, I'm gonna start getting back more on my YouTube and just start talking more in front of the camera and getting more comfortable. But this is a good idea, the best idea. If you flat broke right now, you can start a class, start with just the people in your community on teaching them on how to do things. Like right now, I'm teaching the stocks, entrepreneurship, on Amazon seller, on how to sell a book, on how to write a book. If you need one-on-one coaching, you can come talk to me. And it's basically, if you know how to do anything resourceful, if you know how to do anything as far as marketing, sales, you in the money already. If you dope at creating a clothing line, or if you know how to just create something out of nothing, already in the game. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to let you know, like, it ain't all over. I know sometimes people probably came over here I think he probably gonna give me like a site or something. He gonna give me like a get rich quick scheme. This ain't that. I'm really on here building with y'all, starting a relationship with y'all, showing y'all what I already know. Okay? I just want to be able to make sure that people could take opportunities like this to advantage. If you know how to shoot videos, or if you good with your camera, you already a videographer. You can find people who need photo shoots, video shoots, with a little bit of training, a little bit of learning, nothing is impossible. You can most definitely just find your niche Find what suits you. Find what you do good, and everything will come together. I think everybody got a talent, spiritually and mentally. I think everybody has a talent, and I think everybody has something inside of them that they can most definitely teach, and that other people can learn from. Everything I learned from other people. Growing up, we kids, we don't know nothing at birth. You understand what I'm saying? To get where we at right now, we have to learn from somebody some way. Okay, so I just want to make sure that we all learning, we all growing, we using what we already know to be able to benefit and start a business to be able to win. And once you start your idea up, and once you figure out what you can teach, make it a LLC. Say that you do this as a LLC, and you get you a business bank account. All the money that you make from your business and everything that you created with your own idea, you put it in your business bank account. Boom, you got you a business. Okay, get you a LLC through Zen Business. Okay, it's simple. I just want people to be able to have this knowledge, and I just want people to be able to know this. Honestly, I want y'all to like and subscribe my video for sure. I want y'all to comment if you can use this information, or if you got some information that I can use, or things that can help me on my journey. I just want to build a relationship and keep it pushing, you know. But without nothing more to be said, I want y'all to stay blessed. Peace and blessings. Keep tapping in for sure.